Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna dive into the exciting world of BattleBit Remastered and tackle some really common technical issues that players often encounter. So if you've been experiencing crashing, freezing, or encountering black screen problems while playing this epic game, you've come to the right place because I'm gonna show you exactly how you can fix this problem. I'm gonna show you a couple of methods. So let me know guys in the comment section which method work, and now let's dive right into this tutorial.
Head over to Windows Updates, because usually this is to fix crashes. If you just forgot to update your Windows, make sure you update your Windows, and then we also have to head over Advanced Options and then Optional Updates. And here, if there's an available driver, usually this list is pretty huge, at least for me. Every time I check, or it was a very long time since I checked this list, and it was very huge for me. So all I had to do is just to check all the boxes here, all the drivers, and just download and install. That's what you have to do. Now the next method, here you have to install the latest drivers for your computer. If you have a GeForce Experience, you have a GPU, an NVIDIA GPU, then what you can do is to download GeForce Experience and click on check for updates. And if there's an available driver, click on download. Here you should see the option here to download. Now once you've done that, you have the latest drivers. Now for NVIDIA, make sure if you have an AMD card to install the latest driver. Also, I'll leave the links in the description of this video. Make sure you check the description of this video. And now, very important is for any system, make sure you install Microsoft Visual C++. This is what you need to install pretty much any game, right? You need this to install. So make sure you install this and open. And now let's click on install. I already have it on my computer. Now we have to install DirectX and user runtime. Click on download, click on save, click on this and install this as well, DirectX. Click on accept and click on next. Alright, and for Intel as well, same thing, or do the same step or the same idea. You just have to install the latest drivers. You can also go to device manager and click on display adapters, click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. And you can also click on here and click change, install the latest updates. And now the next step, we have to go to power ready power plan. Click on change advanced power plan, click on processor and make sure here set to 100% and 100%, apply and OK. Now the next method, make sure you go to CMD and here in problems, and here make sure you enter this command. Make sure you run command prompt as a mini share and click on enter. Alright, as you can see, will not work. This is what message will give you if you don't run command prompt as administrator. Run as administrator, and now this command will work. Beginning system scan. So make sure you wait for the process to complete. That's very important, to wait for the entire process to complete. And now press on your keyboard Windows logo plus R, and here write ms config and go to boot, go to advanced options, and here in number of processors, make sure you check this box and select the higher numbers of processors you have. The last number here you see, click check on that box and click on OK, apply and OK.
Now another thing that you have to do is to go to graphic settings here, graphic settings, and then here in graphic settings, make sure you look for that game, and you simply click now on browse. And if you can't find the game there, you just go to browse and add the game to this list. Then you click on the game and you click on options and you set here high performance. All right, save, high performance, save, and that's what you have to do. That's really gonna help a lot the game to run at the peak performance. So it will not work at a highest performance, then that's gonna lead to crashing. That's the end of this video. Make sure you leave your comments down below. Let me know in the comment section if this worked. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and make sure you like this video, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.